Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Shanti and I feel blessed to be a student of Guru Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran, who I fondly call as Dakshi. I have always been in deep admiration of her vast knowledge, amazing creativity and artistic talent that sets her apart as a fabulous teacher. Guru Dakshayani appreciates and recognizes the strengths and skills of each one of her students and makes them the best version of themselves. She shares a special bond with each of her students and touches our lives in so many special ways. Like recently, even during the COVID times, she selected one of her favorite expression-based padams and offered to teach me that online and even correct several of my recordings over iterations. I feel extremely grateful to my Guru and I pray Almighty for her good health, loving and affectionate students, many more creative pursuits and huge successes in the years to come. Thank you.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I'm Shrija, learning Bharatanatyam under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran from the age of 14. I always admire her dedication when she takes up any task and implementing it with utmost dedication and discipline. Her devotion towards her gurus made us realize our Guru-Shishya bond. Her teaching always inculcates our traditional morals. I indeed take pleasure in being one of her disciples. Thank you.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Akshaya Kapali, student of Guru Dakshayani Ramachandran. I have been learning Bharatanatyam from her since the age of 4. She is an inspirational guru who will always share her experiences and knowledge with her students. She is very kind and encouraging, which makes us feel dance class is like our second home. She will always make sure that every student, like the junior, senior or kids, everyone have equal presence on stage, and she will also identify each student's talent and she'll train them accordingly so that they give their best during their performances. I feel I am very blessed to learn this divine art from her. Thank you.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Reshma An, disciple of Guru Dakshayani Ramachandran. I have been learning Bharatanatyam from her for more than 15 years. She has constantly supported me and has given me warmth and comfort of a mother. She has always been an inspiration and a pillar of support. What I love most in her is her kindness and her devotion towards this art. It is indeed a blessing to be a part of this Nityarpana. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Manasa Shivakumar, disciple of Guru Dakshayani Ramachandran. I started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 6. Talking about my Guru, she is such a beautiful person in no doubt. And she works so hard and tries to impart all the knowledge that she has gained to all her students. I feel really excited and I eagerly wait for her next day's class. She has given me lots of opportunities to perform at various places and including Malaysia to mention. And whenever we have long hours of practice, she will bring food for us. She is such a caring person. And I am really bound by her words of wisdom and I am indeed blessed to be a student of Nrityarpana. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Srimati, disciple of Mrs. Dakshayani Ramachandran. நான் வந்து மேம் கிட்ட 4th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேருந்து சேர ஆரம்பித்தேன். இப்போ வந்து ஒரு 8-10 இயர்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கும். பட் நேற்று தான் சேர்ந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஏன்னா இவ்வளோ வருஷம் போனதே தெரியல. டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ்லாம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக இருக்கும். டீச்சராக மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவங்க வந்து ஷீ இஸ் மோர் ஆஃப் அ செகண்ட் மதர் டு ஆல் ஆஃப் அஸ். எப்படின்னா இப்போ ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் முடிஞ்ச ஒரு ஷோ முடிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா அந்த ஷோ முடிஞ்ச அடுத்த செகண்டே வந்து நாங்களாம் மறுபடியும் டான்ஸ் கிளாஸை மிஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிப்போம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும் அந்த டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் அட்மாஸ்ஃபியர். அண்ட் மேம் நம்மளுக்கு சொல்கிற விஷயம் டான்ஸ் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நிறைய விஷயம் வந்து ஷி ஹஸ் டாட் மீ. அதெல்லாம் வந்து நான் என்றைக்கும் மறக்க மாட்டேன். ஸோ எனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக அவங்களோட பிளெஸிங்ஸ் எப்போதும் வேணும்.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Niveda Kumar, disciple of Guru Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran, director Nityarpana. I started dancing from the age of 6 and have been gifted to learn from my Guru for more than 20 plus years now. Being humble and ever hungry for knowledge is what I really admire in her. She not only inspires us to reach great heights through her guidance, and imparting of cultural values. She indeed lets us to be creative in our learning and presenting our perspectives. I'm really honored to be guided by her and would like to take dance as my way of life.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Neeraja Kumar, disciple of Guru Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran, Director Nityarpana. Ma'am has always taught us more about life, tradition, respect along with dance. She always says dance mends you and teaches you a lot. I'm sure growing with her and seeing a way of living makes me think what not it does. I'm feeling really blessed to have such a generous and inspiring Guru.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Ramya Raghu, disciple of Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran. The position Guru involves all other persons in our life. The quality which I admire the most in my Guru is her dedication and passion towards dance and in all aspects of life. I am forever indebted and grateful for all the things she has done for me. I pray to God for her well-being and lifetime happiness. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Janani Venkat, disciple of Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran. Let me start by saying Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. These four precious words are enough to describe her. Mata, Pita, the unconditional love from her has shown me my parents' reflection. Guru அப்படின்னு சொன்னாலே அது தாக்ஷாயணி மேம் தான். She has taught me to see life beyond dance and she has brought in her life through dance so that we are able to breathe dance. Devam, with the blessings of the divine, she brings in the essence of Lord Nataraja in us. I sincerely pray to the Almighty for her wellness and happiness. Thank you.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Shweta Sukumar. I've been learning from Dakshayani Ramachandran since when I was 5 years old. Miss, as we fondly call her. She is an amazing human being. We all know how good a teacher she is. I'm sure all the other students spoke about that. But I'm going to be talking about how good, how miraculous a human being she is. More than a human being, I should say she is a goddess to me. She's been there. She's been there with me even when I don't expect her to be there. I got married and I moved away from dance class when 10 years back, and I've not been in great touch with her. I should admit that I've not been talking to her that often. But she suddenly comes to me and asks me about how I am. She pings me on WhatsApp, she pings me on Facebook to check if I'm okay. I don't know how many of them do that. I mean, I'm sure she doesn't really have to. She has hundreds of students, thousands of students right now, and she doesn't really have to come back to me to check on me. But she does, every time she does. And to share a very, very special incident that happened between us recently. I was deluded with all the recent trending articles and talks about the origin of Bharatanatyam. I was so confused. I was sitting, I didn't know where to go. Though, I was not in touch with the art form after I moved from the dance class. I was so confused. Suddenly she comes to me and says, one day she comes to me during the pandemic and she just says, you know what, Shweta, I want to start dance classes with you, and I'm teaching everyone online. So now that you're in the US, I want to teach you also online. So she does that. She comes to me. I was so surprised because that was a situation where I was so confused. She suddenly comes to me like out of nowhere and she just says, I'm going to give you some information that is not available anywhere and that is what you needed. I was surprised, and this is not just one incident, but this is what she does to me in every other incident in my life, every other thing that happens to my life. So she's so special. She's more than a teacher, I should say. She is a goddess who knows what you want and who's always there to give you what you want. I really pray the Almighty to give her abundant health, good prosperity, and to be there with us forever. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Dev Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. இந்த ஸ்லோகத்தோட முழு அர்த்தம், முழு ரூபம் தாக்ஷாயணி மேடம். தாக்ஷாயணி மேடம் வந்து நாட் ஓன்லி டீச்சர், ஷீ இஸ் அ மதர் ஃபார் மீ. தாக்ஷாயணி மேம் எனக்கு என்னுடைய டேலண்ட் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணி என்னாலேயும் ஸ்டேஜ் ப்ளே பண்ண முடியும், டான்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும்ன்ட்டு நம்பி என்னை நம்ப வச்சு என்னோடய டேலண்ட்டை வந்து பூஸ்ட் பண்ணி எனக்கு நிறைய விஷயங்கள் சொல்லி கொடுத்து என்னை வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ் ப்ளே ஆர்டிஸ்டாக மாற்றிருக்காங்க. எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இந்த லைஃப்பில் தாக்ஷாயணி மேடமை பார்த்தது எனக்கு ஒரு வரம், அது என்னோடய கடவுளோட ஆசீர்வாதம் தான். என்னோடய ஃபேமிலியில் எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டு நான் தாக்ஷாயணி மேடம்கிட்ட படிக்கிறது வந்துட்டு அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நான் ஒரு புண்ணியமாக பார்க்குறேன் அதை. அடுத்து என்னோடய டாட்டர், அவங்களும் தாக்ஷாயணி மேடம் கிட்ட பரதம் கற்றுக்கணுன்ற ஒரு ஆசை இருக்குது. கண்டிப்பாக நான் அவங்களையும் சேர்த்து விடுவேன். As said before, she is not only a teacher for us, she is our mother, she is our goddess. Thank you so much, madam. We love you, we all love you a lot. We all need your blessings. Romba nandri madam.
I am Advaita. I love dance and digital party.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Sreshta and I've been learning Bharatanatyam from Guru Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran for almost 15 years now. I consider myself blessed to have even known someone like her, and to be her student and to have shared stage with her is definitely an experience for lifetime. A superwoman with so much love, dedication, sincerity, knowledge and yet down to earth is a rarity to find. The relationship that she shares with her students is beyond Guru-Shishya relationship. We all love her, admire her, adore her, and I'll consider myself successful in life if I'm at least half of what she is. Praying God for a very happy, long, healthy life for my Guru, so that she continues to inspire many and touch lives of many. Thank you.